Hello, this is Minecraft. Sorry about the TV. Let me just close that. Okay, this is Minecraft with a refrigerator that can kill. This isn't a copy. This is actually an improved version, so it's technically a death device. So you want to start off by making something that looks like this. 2 blocks, and then taking out the dispenser, putting it like 2 dispensers like this, taking out buttons, putting them above them. Then what you want to do, you want to take redstone, find the lower button, and then take it down like that. Yeah, and then you take out You take out redstone repeaters. You put 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the last one on full delay. Next one on third delay. First delay and then no delay. Put one there. Then actually no, it's not like it. Sorry, I did it wrong. Just break that. Replace that with this. Okay, so you put it there, you put the just one to the right, you go all the way down, then you turn, and then you put 6 redstone repeaters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then you continue the pattern, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, and then you take this bit of the redstone, you go all the way down, and then you put it down like that. And then what would happen is, let me just take out, and then you would fill this up with whatever you want. You can fill it up with, and it will just keep shooting and shooting. Oh, and I forgot one part that doesn't allow the person who is like trying to, get free food. You take a iron door and you just stick it in front, just like that. And cover that up. You get anything. And I like arrows. Just take a bunch of these and fire charges. And actually, potions of harming. And then you go in the back like this. Right click, drop these in, drop 1, drop these in, drop 1, and then what would happen? Just hide the volume. I do not know why it isn't working, but here you go, you right click, and then it shoots. But you have to click the bottom one for it to repeatedly shoot like this. Let me go in game mode 1. See, it's already starting to kill me. And it is really powerful. Oh, this is my creation world. And to stop it, you would break the intersection here, so that the power would come and just stop there. And if you want, you can just replace it. So, there. Oh. So, thanks for watching. This is my first attempt at it, and it works. So, yeah, this is an annoying machine. I didn't do anything else. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, do whatever you want. Just, yeah, thank you, and goodbye. What?